Some foods can contribute to a healthier diet and potentially aid in weight management, including reducing belly fat. Remember that a balanced diet, portion control, and overall healthy lifestyle habits are crucial for achieving and maintaining weight loss. Here are 10 foods that are often considered part of a healthy diet for weight management. 1. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. Their low calorie content and high fiber can help promote feelings of fullness and support weight management. 2. Chili peppers. Chili peppers contain a compound called capsaicin, which has been suggested to have a minor thermogenic effect, potentially aiding in metabolism and calorie burning. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, which can aid digestion and help you feel full. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. 4. Tea. Green tea contains catechins that may help support metabolism and fat oxidation. Drinking green tea in moderation as part of a balanced diet can be beneficial. 5. Nuts. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Despite being calorie-dense, they can contribute to feelings of fullness and may prevent overeating. 6. Lean proteins. For example, chicken, turkey, fish, tofu. Lean protein sources are low in calories and high in protein, which can boost metabolism due to the thermic effect of food. Protein also helps maintain muscle mass during weight loss. 7. Leafy greens, for example, spinach, kale, lettuce. Leafy greens are low in calories and high in fiber, making them filling and nutrient-dense. The fiber content aids in digestion and helps control appetite. 8. Whole grains, for example, quinoa, brown rice, oats. Whole grains are complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevent overeating. 9. Legumes, for example, beans, lentils, chickpeas. Legumes are rich in protein and fiber, promoting satiety and helping control blood sugar levels. The combination of protein and fiber supports weight management. 10. Avocado, rich in healthy fats and fiber. Avocado provides monounsaturated fats, which can promote feelings of fullness. The fiber content supports digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. A holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, portion control, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and stress management is key for achieving sustainable weight loss and overall well-being.